Have you all connected, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Actually, which you are studying? Third year or second year?
Second year, ma'am.
Second year.
Second year. Okay. In data warehousing, what topics are now you have to be read?
We have started only like introduction and basic things, ma'am.
That's okay. You are not yet enter into the applications and all. Do you know the applications? It's in which field we are using the data warehousing actually?
For software business analysis and stuff, ma'am.
Uh, yeah, actually, in the trading sector, for that purpose only we are moving into data warehousing, right? Here before the normal databases we are using in the initial steps we are using FPS, right? Do you have any idea about FPS? File processing system. Do you heard about that already or not? No. No. Right? The initial database system is an FPS, file processing system. Due to the lack of security purpose, we move on to database system. That is a mid of 70s, we enter into relational database. What is RDBMS? Then only we enter into data warehousing, right? After that only we must store the data in a structured format. That's why we are going to implemented everything in a RDBMS. That is a relational database. What is the main difference between database and RDBMS means? Mainly nowadays we have to be dealing with the big data, right? Big data. We are dealing with the big data. So in that big data, the data must be getting. We are getting lot of data. There must be, if we want to store the data, there is no structured, unstructured. Do you hear the word unstructured and structured data?
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe yes. Yes. Unstructured data means it must be in a, not in a tabular form. When after introducing relational database only, we are entered into an tabulated values. Okay. Every data must be stored in our database like a tabular form. Okay, ma? Then only the issues must be reduced after using a RDBMS. And also lots and lots of data we have to be fetched and processing and we must be stored in the databases. Whenever we want to retrieve the data from the databases, it must be very easy for us to access. That it? Now, in our data warehouses, in the applications, we have to be used. Nowadays, we are using clouds and separate clouds for our databases, right? Likewise, in our data warehousing, we are using a lot of open sources APIs are available. Okay, we have to be implemented our project in any separate. A is the core thing. In that, we must be implemented by whatever method you are. Do you all familiar with the deep learning, DL, ML, machine learning? Yes or no? Yes. You need to read about these things, okay? After going to enter into a project, next year only you are going to do the projects, right? Nowadays you are doing mini project or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, mini projects. Okay. Anyone explain me? Do you now are you doing project or completed your project?
Previous semesters we have done only kind of mini projects, ma'am. For the next semester only we'll do again, ma'am.
Main project must be in the next semester, right? Actually, in mini project, what kind of topics are all selected?
We have done
What
some
kind
websites and stuff,
of
ma'am.
Okay. In a minimal level only you are enter into did your mini projects, right? Okay. Hereafter, next step it must be in you are enter into the main projects, right? You must select the projects according to the new trends. Okay. You're all well familiar with image processing, data detection. Nowadays we are given a pretension and then prediction and then we give a right. Now the data must be trained in our AI. Then we will given the solution for what are the problems we have to be faced. We've created the problem statement and we must provide some answers to them. Yes or no? So you must go for a 2024 problem statement in your data warehousing or data analytics. Then it should be easy to access, right? If you going to choose a data analytic problems means definitely contact me. Okay, I am handling a data analytic only. Okay, ba. Likewise, in our college, our students also doing data analytical problem, and the trading related predictions are given. Nowadays, the trading is in topmost level, right? And also for curing medical in healthcare, also projects are be more number of projects are awaiting. Right. You may concentrate on any one field. If you are to choose an machine learning means you must go through machine learning and algorithms. What are all the algorithms which will be used in the machine learning that must be more useful for you to learn any other data also. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
fine. Is there any queries regarding? If you have any queries, just get me, man.
What kind of jobs can we do if we learn this data warehousing and all, ma'am?
Data analytic actually in banking, mainly in banking nowadays, software companies are what they are doing. They are getting projects from the banking sector and they will do the backside works and all in their companies, right? They have to be trained the data. What are the inquiries? Normally, we have to be frame our if we want to do the ATM process also, that coding must be written by us, right? For that coding, we implemented our DL languages, that is data learning, data science, ML, and then deep learning is mainly used for nowadays the image processing and target identification. For that and all, we are going for that. Okay, so the job must be nowadays. It is also be segregated as an topic. Whenever we are having, if you are be strong and analytical, they divided you as an analytical engineer, right? Network security, then cyber security, blockchain. Oh, likewise, your job also be segregated like this. If you are be interested in augmented reality and virtual reality, that is AR/VR, right? So you must go with the gaming softwares, uh, cinematic gaming, like that and that.